Water is the most precious resources in our planet. So what happens when water quality management fails the public? This is arsenic poison. You can't see it and can't smell it, but if there's arsenic in your water, within 3 to 5 years, not only will you have these hands, you'll get arsenicosis, an incurable cancer-causing disease. Worst part, 200 million people around the world are at risk of arsenic poisoning and fluoride contamination. Furthermore, outbreaks account for 80% of the world's waterborne diseases. 2 billion people are exposed to feces-contaminated water. 3.4 million people die annually from waterborne diseases. Organizations trying to solve it face enormous challenges like compliance, maintenance, downtime, and cases of failed audit and violation. If you add all these up, water treatment plants lose up to $600,000 per facility. This is where we come in. Hydroquo Plus provides mission-critical, real-time, actionable insights to drive water safety and availability from source to tap with the hope of preventing and predicting disease outbreaks. Our unique industry-first approach addresses complexities related to water quality and efficiency by combining hardware, software with bidirectional connectivity to extract real-time intelligence from water data. It's like scanning the water pipelines with an MRI imaging machine in real time to find out any contamination and losses within the streams of water supply. This enables water operators, plant and corporate managers to predict, forecast water quality changes and availability metrics to take action to solve all those problems. Our current deployment has enabled 25% in energy savings, reduced lab and maintenance expenditures by 10x. There's been 80% reduction in chemical usage since our first deployment, fundamentally improving the health of water without the need for excessive usage of chemical. ROI has been enjoyed by the municipalities that have deployed this in Dhaka, Wasa, within 48 hours, with an aggregate yearly savings of 500x. Our innovative water data as a service model enables stakeholders to offset the cost of the device while enjoying significant return of investment within 48 hours with zero CapEx investments. Hydroquo Plus's KPI services include remote monitoring of assets, calibration health of laboratories, anomaly detection in real time for possible cases of outbreaks through functional alarm, sudden change detection, threshold alarm. This opens up virtually a large market, valued at $600 billion, expected to grow to $1 trillion. We aim to address 75% of the mass water infrastructure with a potential revenue of $7 billion, tapping into public water utility, agricultural sector, and treatment plants. We've been booked for a $700,000 contract with multiple pilots underway for 2021-2022, with an expected gross margin of 43% and 0% churn. We asked for a simple, safe note agreement of $250,000 with negotiable terms. This will allow us to scale up to 10 more deployments throughout the city and impact 7.5 million residents along the way. Our cross-functional, interdisciplinary team of physicists, meteorologists, engineers is obsessed with data and has deep expertise in analytics and security. We're advised by leading professionals from Goldman Sachs, DuPont, and World Bank. My field of expertise is in the intersection of data engineering and sustainability. I've been selected as one of the 17 United Nations young leaders in the world to solve the SDGs by the UN Secretary General. Some exciting news. We've been selected for the Imagine H2O Winter 21 cohort. Only Bangladeshi companies selected in the last 8 years. This is referred to as the Y Combinator water industry, the world's most premier accelerator for water startups. Their world-class portfolio of 150 alumni participants since 2009 has raised over $600 million, with 5 notable exits in the last 3 years. 2.2 billion people around the globe lack access to safe drinking water. Fresh, clean water accounts for just 0.03% of all water available globally. If you want to do something about it, come and engage in these deployments like we have already done with Dhaka Wasa, Bangladesh's largest water municipal provider, for 250,000 residents. These deployments are testing 12 plus metal organics and inorganics parameters all in real time. This deployment in the pipeline that you see underground, that's put 30 feet underground, has automated water supply monitoring and efficiency monitoring to identify leakages and optimize supply. So join us in this mission and impact people's life with data that doesn't exist today. Thank you.